Alright, here we are in Sawmill number 111. This property has undergone an amazing remodel. Everything has been done up and the craftsmanship is very nice. Starting in the entrance there, you can see, you walk down, got a ways to look down. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. The kitchen has been completely remodeled. Great, nice light fixtures. Everything is furnished, so everything you see here does come with the property. There are a couple of storage closets, owner's closets, washer and dryer in the unit. Outside this side, you've got a little creek running down through there and a little courtyard. But we'll take you through the property here, coming down through the kitchen. You know, really everything is in place that you need here. All the appliances are new. The wine cooler bar area here. And here is the first bathroom. Again, everything completely remodeled. Decor is very mountain modern feel to it. And then we'll go right next to the first bathroom is the first bedroom here. And excellent furnishings. I really like this back headboard for the bed. I think that's really cool. Something new and different coming out over the ceiling there, but unique as well. Let's head back out into the main room. Got a nice dining area after the breakfast bar. Good, comfortable seating space. You've got the fireplace in there. That one looks like a gas fireplace, but really cool finishes. Now, coming up from the garage, you're on the first floor, so you only have to walk up one flight of stairs. There is an elevator that you could use. But coming out the back here, you got a nice little courtyard that you're on grade, and you know, for walking the dogs or what have you. We'll head back into the property now. I almost missed this before. It's a 2-bedroom. Where's the door to the other bedroom? And let's take a look at this wall here, and that's your door. Very cool. Open it up. Boom, it's kind of like your hidden little oasis back in here. I would consider this to be the master. Cool headboards in here too. I mean, really nice. And then let's head into the bathroom. Again, nice finishes, very spacious, mountain modern. Great place to spend some time. So if you have any questions, as always, let us know. Team Flick at Summit Living. And we'll talk to you soon.